Today we're replacing the wiper blades on a 2016 to 2022 Toyota Prius. I bought these off Amazon for about $20, both fronts and one rear. Start by lifting the wiper arm up, find this button here, push it inward and pull the wiper blade upward. That will free it up. I advise you to work with two hands, otherwise if the wiper arm hits the glass, you're in for a bad day. Slide the wiper blade in and let it snap in. There is a green wiper blade protector. This slides right off. For the second wiper, we'll just do the same thing. Push in, pull up to the left. Take this, slide it in here. There you go. And of course, don't forget to remove the green plastic cover. Alright. Rear wiper blade installation is a bit different. There's this plastic cap back here. With two hands, pry this upward at the base right here. And it snaps going upward. Next, pull the wiper arm up. Tilt the wiper arm slightly like this. Yes, like this at an angle, and then pull it upward. Up and out. It snaps out of place like so. Take this new one here. Snap it into place, lay it down, snap this back into place.